Streaming giants, packed with must-watch content and live sports. But only one can truly claim the crown. Which one really delivers? On the left, it's Max. Blockbusters, hit series, and prestige TV all in one place. And on the right, FuboTV, your ticket to live sports, news, and entertainment. Let's skip the marketing spin and dive into what actually matters. We'll score each important category, then reveal exactly who comes out on top. The final winner might just surprise you. Okay, here's the game plan. We're going to compare these two on price, content library, sports coverage, features and experience, on-demand experience, and, maybe the most important, satisfaction and trust. That's the blueprint. Let's jump right in. Let's kick things off with price. So Max comes in pretty clutch here. You've got an affordable base plan, and honestly, there are no sneaky sports fees popping up out of nowhere. The catch? If you want live TV or sports, not happening. Then, FuboTV. Yeah, they've got an entry-level plan, and hey, you can check it out with a 7-day free trial, which is cool. But here's where it gets a little wild. If you start adding all those sports packages and regional stuff, your bill can totally shoot past $85 a month. Plus, seems they bump prices every year, which, ouch, right? So I gotta give this round to Max. No contest. Now, moving on to content library. Max is like your go-to for blockbusters, originals, think Game of Thrones and Succession. Just so many incredible movies and series. The downside? No major live sports. No local channels. FuboTV, though? You're looking at 200 plus live channels, pretty much all you can imagine. Sports, news, entertainment, even international and regional stuff. But you're missing Warner Brothers Discovery channels, so no TNT or TBS. And, fun fact, some of those fast channels can be found for free elsewhere. So honestly, on content library, it's a draw. Totally depends on what you vibe with. All right, here's the sports coverage showdown. Max? I mean, technically you can bundle HBO Max with certain sports partners, but let's be real. There's no actual sports streaming here. It's just not what Max does. FuboTV, on the other hand, is like sports paradise. Full suite of US and global sports. You got ESPN, NFL Network, FS1, and even special add-ons for the NBA, MLB, soccer, you name it. There are a couple of sports channels missing, like still no TNT or TBS, but overall, Fubo basically runs laps around Max for sports. FuboTV takes this one by a mile. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Max actually started out as HBO before it rebranded to Max in 2023. That's when they merged all the Warner Brothers, HBO, and Discovery content together. It's a whole new ballgame now. Speaking of features and just overall experience, Max is super clean, slick interface, gives you options for ad-supported or ad-free viewing, but multi-user profiles are kind of, well, limited. FuboTV is where it gets interesting. Unlimited cloud DVR, up to 10 simultaneous streams, that's a lot, and even this fan view experience with all the stats right on screen if you're into sports. Navigation on their on-demand stuff, though, could use some work. But when you line it all up, Fubo pulls ahead for features. On to the on-demand experience. This is a solid one for Max. Honestly, their original productions are top tier, and their on-demand interface is super consistent. Fubo serves up on-demand from its live TV library, so you get to catch shows and games after they air. But the navigation, VOD, DVR, it's just not as smooth as Max or some other competitors. So yeah, Max wins this category with a pretty clear lead. Now let's talk satisfaction and trust. Max is like a household name at this point. Top 5 US streaming brand in 2025 rankings, which is pretty awesome. FuboTV's reputation is solid, especially for sports fans. But, and this is important, it actually scored lowest in 2025's consumer satisfaction surveys. Oof. So, strong win here for Max. If you need a quick visual, imagine this. Max crushes it on price and satisfaction. Stands tall for movies and originals. FuboTV dominates sports, features, and gives you that live TV fix. The chart's got some real spikes depending on what matters to you. So, you know what? If what you really want is hit movies and those prestige TV shows, just go with Max. It's the smart choice. But hey, if you're a sports fanatic, love catching games live, and want a ton of live channels, FuboTV is absolutely the way to go. Just be ready when that monthly bill lands. Thinking about streaming? Hit save. Seriously, this page has got you covered. And stick around for more tips, deals, and updates as we roll into next